my girl so rare. Cruising in our CanAm Spyder so true, through the curvy roads in a sky so blue. Eastern PA calls with its hills so high. Western PA answers under the sky. Sun above and the open air. Hand in hand, there's no need to choose. Just me, my girl.
Happy July 9th.
9th, yep.
And we're out and about 2 days in a row. Oh my God. What are we going to do? Oh, gee. Bob and Amy are in front of us today, leading the way. We had a little repair to do because directional was out.
Yep. That was an arm and a leg.
So that's all fixed. And now we don't know where we're going. As long as it's cool and no rain. But we do have rain gear on the bike now.
Yes, we do. Actually smartened up, smacked helmets, and said, let's put it in there, just in case.
So stay tuned because we have no clue.
No.
Well, I just found out them Harley riders are one way. Oh, Rita hit me. Bob just cared about himself. He gassed up, but he doesn't care if I need gas. What are we gonna do? We're on 949. You like this little road? A lot of squigglies in it, and you never know what you're gonna see.
Deer Road. Sticking to
Deer
it.
Road. Oh, it stopped running.
Wow. Why are they so dried up and everybody else is flooded?
Well, I think they have an electric pump.
And
That's what pumps the
still
water.
needs water in it. It's dry.
Absolutely. On to the next.
The sky turns the color of a bruised up night as the asphalt stretches out of sight. I glance ahead at the rolling gloom like we're riding straight into thunder's roam. I might curse your name when the drops start soaking, but roll your eyes, Bob, you know I'm joking. We saw the front close in the horizon bend, and we all chased the storm right to the end. The air turns thick and the heavy air sighs as those dark clouds gather and open wide. Let the storm roll in, let the highway drown. We'll ride it out till the sun comes around. There's no turning back when the highway sings through whatever weather the afternoon brings. Driving toward dark clouds makes the rain a sure bet, but there's a fat chance we're all getting wet. The engine hums and the pavement flies under the weight of the changing skies. From the searing heat of a blazing sun to the sudden chill where the shadows run. When we're out on the blacktop rolling free, there's nowhere else that I'd rather be. There's no turning back when the highway sings through whatever weather the afternoon brings. Driving toward dark clouds makes the rain a sure bet, but there's a bad chance, we're all getting wet. Hey. You bet. You bet.
Oh, we just stopped at the Farmers
Inn.
Inn.
We were there a couple years ago with the grandchildren.
Yeah, and another good meal.
Yep.
It was yummy. And we're getting a little dripples on the windshield.
Thank God for my rain gear. See, I knew I bought it for a reason.
Yeah. I hope we don't have to test it out.
No.
But it was nice. Good meal. Now we don't know where we're going.
We didn't know where we were going before.
Yep.
Because Bob's in the lead.
That's all right. I don't mind.
Nope.
It's just putting around. So all good. Nice house. I like that. Even his mailbox is there.
He's probably a handyman carpenter. Did it
Yeah.
all himself.
Oh yeah. So stay tuned because we could have surprises ahead. We don't know.
Yeah. Hear me right now?
Oh, we got caught. Ah!
Oh, come on.
It's wonderful.
I told him.
It's only a shower.
Well, it's a cold shower with rain that hurts.
And stinging bees.
Boy, I'm glad I put my rain suit on. My nice new rain suit. Look at Bob. I'm just looking at this thing.
Well, we rain geared up and the rain stops. Oh well. All good. And of course, Bob had to wipe his bike down before he got back on the road to get it all wet again.
Well,
I just don't know what to say. I guess we're going $8.99.
Cook Forest, not Cooks.
We're in Cook Forest. We stopped at the canoe rental place and took off our rain gear.
Yeah. Waiting for the next one to roll in. I got it on fast action right here. I'm just gonna open the cover and reach down and grab it.
Woo! I'll have to rethink where I'm going to store these things. Maybe I'll put them in the side thing for easy access. Because I figured we wouldn't need them. But then we didn't say Bob was leading.
Yeah, he said you gotta follow me because I'm heading towards the rain again. I was like, oh really?
We like picking on Bob. Nice road. This is, by the way, this is route BA 36. Goes right through the forest. Coming up to our favorite bridge. Haka!
Haka.
Haka. Ah, yes.
For you Pennsylvanians, Parker.
Parker?
Parker.
Parker. Ah, yes. And looks like Bob's bringing us the cloudy weather.
Yep.
Bob,
As you can see,
Bob did it to us again. Twice in the same
he
day.
loves to ride into the dark clouds.
Yeah.
I just don't understand it. Him being a trucker, that kind of puts me through a loop. This is bullshit. Get me under a cloud. Jesus.
All right, Bob.
Find a place, Bob. I'll put my rain gear on. Don't just keep. Oh no, it'll be fine. Don't worry about it. Oh, it's not. Damn you!
Oh, it's only a sprinkle.
Oh, you said that the last time, but we went right into flash flood and downpours. Well, when you see cars coming the other way with the windshield wipers on, that will give you a sign that it's not just sprinkles.
Well, this is a curvy road, Queenstown Road or Queens.
Yeah, we've been on this road a dozen,
Yeah.
if not more times. Brings you out to
68.
yeah.
Woo! It's a squiggly up and down and side to side. You feel like you're on an old wooden roller coaster.
Yeah. Your gut feels the same way.
And and after you get off this road, your bones ache like you've been on a roller coaster.
Yep.
Here we are at 68. And the rain has stopped.
Shh. Shh. Shh.
Here we are, coming into East Brady.
Here's the Allegheny.
And there's the Allegheny. Oh, I'm not going to bother. I was going to
Yeah,
turn
y'all know what it looks like. Little,
look back at one of our other videos.
yeah. Not as high as I thought it would be.
And the building is gone. Hi, everybody.
Maybe we should have kept moving.
Oh, Rita's getting dressed.
Huh?
Rita's putting her rain gear on.
I'm not. I think we're going to be good.
Yeah.
Strip, drop, strip, drop, strip, drops. Okay, well, while we're here, we might as well take a peek at the overlook in East Brady. We've been here several times, and it is nice. Nice view of the Allegheny. Whoop, whoop, gosh, I almost killed myself. There we go. Yeah, I don't know if you can make out the house on top of the hill over there. And it's the Allegheny. And we just went over it, the last video clip. Yep. Okay. That's nice. There's my baby. Well, we stopped and put our rain gear on.
I am so glad I got this.
Yeah, wow, you're getting a workout. She bought it yesterday.
Have to use it twice today because of Bob. It's all Bob's fault. I'm blaming him.
We're all gonna blame Bob, no matter what.
He even said she's probably cursing me out right now. Yeah, hell, yes, I am.
I'm glad I'm not leading because I would have got my ass chewed.
We love Bob, but we knew.
But we're heading back home.
And the thunder's following us.
That was when we were putting our rain gear on. There was a lot of rumbling going on.
Just from where we came from.
Yep. Oh. We'll keep you posted on our ride home if anything else happens.
Just standing in the middle of the road.
Bye, dear. I don't know if I got it or not, but. Oh, sweet home. Now we have to give Blue a bath.
No,
Okay,
not
that's-
we.
Not we. We. Well, thanks for coming along with us. We had a good day, a little wet in spots, but
Yeah.
any day's riding is a good day.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Absolutely, and thanks to all our subscribers, new and old, young.
To the ones that have been there before.
Oh.
Throughout our journeys.
Adventures calling from every side. Through the curves, the road shines.